all in a day's work. All over the world, teenagers find part-time jobs. This allows them to save money and buy things they really want. Let's hear from a couple of teenagers and their experiences working part-time where they live.
I am working part-time in a clothes shop. I love my job because I like wearing the latest fashion. In the shop, I have the chance to wear lots of new clothes. Not only is it a lot of fun, but I earn my own money too. That means it's easy for me to meet my friends and go to the cinema. I love watching comedy films. I'm saving money for the summer too. I'm planning to go to an adventure park with my friends. It's easy for teens to get a part-time job in the UK. You can work part-time from the age of 13. Then, you can work for 2 hours a day on school days, 5 hours on Saturdays, and 2 on Sundays. You can work even more hours during school holidays. At 16, you can stop working full-time. I'm 16, but I only work weekends because I'm still at school.
I'm 15 years old and I also have a part-time job. I want to be an actor, so I work in a theatre. It's a great experience and I meet lots of interesting people. I help hand out leaflets about performances and sell tickets too. Here in Kazakhstan, you have to be 14 years old before you can have a part-time job. You have to get permission from your parents before you can start a job as well. My parents were happy for me to work part-time. They know that I'm doing something I love, and they're happy that I'm making my own money too.
Have you got a part-time job? Why do you think it's a good idea for teenagers to work for a few hours a week?